Hello everyone. Today we are going to see some standard identities we are using in algebraic expressions. Okay? So, what is an identity? See, an equation is true for a particular value, but while an identity is true for all values of the variable. Okay? That is called an identity. There are some basic identities we are going to see in this video. They are three basic identities. They are a plus b the whole squared is equal to a squared plus ab plus 2ab, and a minus b the whole squared is equal to a squared minus 2ab plus b squared, and a plus b into a minus b, which will give a squared minus b squared. These are the basic identities, and adding to that one more we are going to see, that is x plus a into x plus b. If we multiply, we will get x squared plus x into a plus b plus ab. So, all these four, these basic three and this fourth one, we are going to use in this chapter. These identities, using these identities, we will do problems in this exercise algebra, and in the classes of 8th, 9th and even in 10th standard also, they will ask based on these identities. So, it is a must learn identities. Okay children, so we will learn one by one how we are getting this identities. Okay children, so first we will take a plus b the whole squared is equal to a squared plus b squared plus 2ab. Okay, see, if I give any value to this variable, that is a and b, it should be equal to that variables which is formed in the opposite side also, then only it is called as variable. Okay children, okay, we will let us check whether we are getting the same answer on both the sides. Okay children, see, first we will take a plus b the whole square. Okay, so we saw a squared plus b squared plus 2ab. How we are getting this? A plus b into a plus b is a plus b the whole square. Okay, so if we expand this thing, we will multiply, these two are polynomials, so we are going to multiply each term with the next polynomial, right? So, a into a will get a square plus again a into b will get a b plus b into a again will get b a, and again b into b will get b square, right? So, a square plus ab and ba both are same, just we are interchanging the variables. Okay, so 2ab will get plus b square, getting in the answer. Okay children, so see whether it fulfills the identity property. So let us give a is equal to 2 and b is equal to 5. Suppose if I take value of a equal to 2 and b equal to 5, then we will see whether a plus b the whole squared is equal to a squared plus b squared plus 2ab we are getting or not, while substituting this a for 2 and b for 5. Okay, so first LHS we will take. So LHS is what? A plus b the whole square, which is equal to which is 49. Okay, and a squared plus 2ab plus b squared for a equal to 2 and b equal to 5. Okay, so a squared LHS I have got is equal to 49 I got, right? So now I will substitute this a here on the right side. So 2 squared plus 2 into a is 2 and for b is 5 plus b squared is 5 square, right? So I'll get 4 plus 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 4 5s are 20, right? So plus 5 squared is 25. So I'll get 20 plus 25, 45 plus 4 is 49, which is RHS. Okay, so now I am getting LHS equal to RHS. So it fulfills the identity property. Okay, so that is what we see in the first identity, that is a plus b the whole squared is equal to a square plus b squared. So it fulfills the identity. So if you give values to the variables a and b, it should be fulfill the both the sides, that is a plus b the whole square, left hand side and right hand side should come as equal. That is what we are calling it as identity. That is, an identity is true for all the values of the given variable. Okay children, I think you understand. Next we will see a minus b the whole squared is equal to a squared minus b squared. Okay, see, I am going to give values for again these a and b. Okay, so first of all write the identity. So here I am going to give a as 2 and b as 4. Any value you can choose. Okay, so first I am going to substitute for LHS. So 2 minus 4 the whole squared is what? LHS, right? So 2 minus 4 is minus 2 and minus 2 the whole squared is, you will get 2 2s are 4 and minus will get cancelled, you will get 4. Okay, so next here RHS. RHS is what? A squared means 2 squared minus 2 into, again A is 2 and B is 4, right? And plus B square. B squared is what? 4. 4 square. Okay children, so I will get 4 minus 2 2s are 4 and 4 2s are 8. Sorry, 2 2s are 4, 4 4s are 16 and 4 squared is plus 16. So both these 16 will get cancelled because one is in negative and one is in positive. So I am getting 4 as the answer. So this is right hand side and this is left hand side. So they are equal. So that is how we are proving the identities. So the second identity is also proven here, right? So any value if you give, you will come to know the given identities will be equal for both LHS and RHS.